season. Coco season, no season.
From when in Panama, Tambia, we be been a pam, Nkansah in Panama. Go down for no more. Now, go to put matching film at it. When young crack, as much Jimmy Sam crack. I'm with 17, I'm with come with some. This a man shopper, no more 7. I don't mind Jimmy Sam. Because I think you mean a meal. Who would take a son of my phone and say, what did you tell you? Me catch me here, but here, I'll take a car. Hey, you take a car. Yes, I'm tomorrow. Remember what's coming into the Shwafu. As Kafumet, Mamma Yachi, with the Fuga. What's ya? Polo. Kajam, Unuka, Kajam, Ufan, Kajam. Kajam. I know what say. Who did not tell me a beer, Ubana? Who did not tell me Jammy a beer, Ubana? Mamma Farabo. Call no Jammy, Ubana a beer. When you told me, when you're flat. Mamma never catch a burning one. Papa, what Jammy? What? Ubana. Running from what you up on my room, me not hurt you quite. Oh, what would I think? Oh, so fast one. Oh, bring fita no name here crossing. Oh, that's it. Kwesi Sampa. Ah, why my biaso yansiado? Oh, bring me a Kwesi Sampa. Why my biaso yansiado? Kwesi Sampa. Why my biaso yansiado? Bravo show bring fita. Oh, bring fita no name here crossing. Kwesi Sampa. Mufenyezi. Mumfaman. Anyamia kabu benida. Anyamia. Busana bukampo. Anyamia. Yakuhunu yi. Nyaminya okese. Nyaminya okese. Wa fuze ro no de doka. Amen. Kwekwe. Mo we de. Did the mama bro yini difufu. Eh sa? What do you? Ene aje. Ene de enkwai. Ebunebun. Bitu do hotel hola. We shena yimiti. Nam so as a rice, nam so dabi. Am wow. You call China have a dada. Even the rice. In the bed fufu. No problem. No mam bread too. And we are there. Person. Or there are 3 and sir. What in the night? And a dear. What's your brony? Home was sunk by the rock. Well, if you feel I said to him, I'm a war. I'm ready from so many smarker. From a guy from Cocoa Catch Money. Aye, from Somna. Hey, put down. Why, Dano? More from Cocoa Catch Money. Now, go for Cocoa Catch. I should get your high prima. Go for Tatamuco. Why, Mamma Chamunian to Mammy? Mean 2 million. Mean 2 million. For some coming to you. Quick, me over Sabenti. Why? Over Saba. Fighting me. Fighting me. Mura. Never in that touch. And now, when I need to meet you, I didn't want to meet you. Why are you? Share. Where are you saying? Why did you? Ah. I don't know what to say.
Coco Crache. Pain I will go in you shall be out with the I see you na my baby.
No, what are
Oh, yes, Sham.
Yes,
Sham.
Yeah.
Moko se champuma.
No.
Yeah, such this year.
Hey,
I started dancer for credit this year.
Koko catch it. Out to you. It's yes, I check.
I don't know. You may have.
What's no one?
No, no,
What's no one?
come
Manta.
Oh,
Bidi makobi esibo.
And I what's that?
Bidi makobi esibo nchen. Be ba cho so no mama tell me ranchen.
What's that? No, I'm
Me sit so no mama tell me ranchen.
honorable transfer.
Hey, go catch it.
Nana,
My catch you say. Utuntu no. Yes, I tell you pay. Say na would do too much.
No me pentem tra.
There be asa. Nana what say?
Na me adum.
We ready boni bi anim. America tente.
Why you check nyanya ready me.
Oh, you check no. Any jenaba. Koko ju e na he fi say baby mu fa nya hwe mu ye no. Ona boy ade. Boni fita be sin so fra botimam. Aba say wo me research. Oh me hono.
Hey, we both na ko sisi.
You tell me.
What did you call BBC?
Yes, you go BBC.
BBC.
Wonderful. Honorable.
I'm to that bishop. I said, yeah. I said for woman. Say, we'll call you, man. He said, no, young. Oh, yes, over here.
Oh,
to my chair, my money.
I went in about
Oh,
why am I? Where the
and he said, Senator, to bring number. Just I need you have a call from Uncle Hell. Penny and what to be.
What would you call Richmond?
Oh, yeah, where the come in now?
Almost a man who may Milo Biana be. I want to make cocoa with a coffee be.
Because yes, you know, Martin.
Oh, Bonita. That will be that. And the cowboy will be like the white. I was see Brony Mambia and Munko Bobo among uncle. Well, Munko and Munko Dada.
Munko, ah, it's higher.
So sorry now. Coco Jolly, Nampa Jolly.
Quack.
One way, nothing. One no cry, man. And I have a man. I'm not a crowd.
Need to flat as ever made no Malacca.
Oh, my Mexica. Why?
Coco. Quack.
I see Wabra.
Mr. Bar.
Come on for Pesca.
I do.
I was sorry. Say, she was so unfound for baby, not the bread. Wouldn't blame it.
More did the man you visit. Only you had the power. I would not did him a busy. The said it in a business and me had the power. No, they were not. Quack me cry.
I do a few yo. I do a few yo.
Quack me cry.
Yanni Whisker, where and Munyama back in season, no season, Coco, season, no season. The money I get container. The man on me black benzo. If we are going in a Kwesi, what's a happen almost 1,000 acres?
It says like 1,000 acres.
Wow.
Wow. I'm so. Most about 20.
Like 20 of these.
Yeah, uncle. When you match.
Do I follow the seed or do I see them out?
I don't know.
What's it? I say,
Obamene, a banana.
Oh, that be Obamene. I am what? It's for yam. Woman, before yam.
It can go in your stomach.
Yeah, not pure soon when you.
And the branches will come out of your
yes.
ears.
I'm not going to swallow.
Yeah, two men, many white. When you match it. Oh, say, Annie, a good shiny here.
Wow.
A good shiny here. Nah, bah. Nah, I feel I bet you
like this. And it will come up like it starts like this. And it goes this way.
This tiny flower.
Yes, sanity.
To this big pot.
Yes.
Wow.
Now,
I need to take
it's God's creation.
Yeah.
Also,
Tell me.
I want to
wow, this is so amazing.
BBC.
They will love this.
Yeah,
they will love this.
Hey, come on, me, I do.
So good.
Okay. Let's me uncle. Get Kwakwa no small. Mo getting na. Where's your Kwadwo?
It's a banana.
Yeah.
Banana tree.
I love banana.
Everything. Oh.
What's your Kwadwo pa?
Me I have a wow. So Kwadwo. Kwadwo feel me bia anya. Me ni machi. Hi. Bra.
I don't know what you're talking about. Bodiana.
Resenia. She go kwani nyina so. Wo bodom mo.
That's one of his caretakers.
Oh,
No, I think we're going to go on and I can be here. Never to go quick.
Like he takes care of everything. He dries them.
nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
I feel Resenia. What did Resenia?
Caretaker. He's a caretaker.
Yeah.
Caretaker.
And I dear Kwadwo na me twa.
Yo, mo.
And now when so be ana we nyam menken na.
What do you
Wo yire wo fufu ana dia.
Mo. What? Tell the picture John. Pause. See how what Jimmy.
Oh, lovely.
No, go find the same.
So he's got him from the
Go find the same.
everything here belongs to him.
You telling you now? Wait, who is saying?
What's got?
I scared you goodbye. Sikadia. Everything you know, Obi's can't tell me.
It says he's the richest man in the world.
Lovely.
Fish are Fibian, but go for.
Coco, season, no season, Coco, season, no season.
Just come on. Catch him, nothing back, Kuma. We go going to buy.
Go catch
Catch.
because of Champuma.
Oh, I'm sure. What you want? Anyway, no, man, no answer. Catch it. Did you can you show? Many was such it. Me papa ain't independent before. To be a buyer near Yatimi do baby. It's a Timmy or rest of Fenina. Oh, be a back, Conquachachi. But I'm not. The papa ain't tea. Me no this catching brother. When was catching me?
Bienho.
But that's my circle. What bay? Why, me say, Mimpra, and it's a Dutch be a one. Till me one. I'm a beer who sent me my wild brony. One of a bonita.
Oh, how do you say?
I'm a tenant chapel. Miss Son of Grabon Cafe. Miss Cafe. Wait, when I'm a man, Busano. Hey, I was a battle. Mr. A battle. Why am I? Hey! Me Benjamin. Why do you discover now the American? I can't forget what you say. Have me a what do you mean? Media. Make go on your come on back, tell me, no, sick no. To do by some sickany. Me, I'm a sickany.
What's he saying?
He says his money.
Yeah. What's
Like
a dose? I bet tell me, when ya. What was him? Minimum to
He said
answer.
he was going to get like 10 billion.
Yeah.
But they only got this. So he's kind of disappointed.
Yeah.
But is the
It's
rest available?
banner.
Is it
Whatever. What's it? It's now a bank.
Okay.
What?
it's available?
They'll bring more.
Kind. Remember.
He wants you to count.
Kind
Oh, I don't understand the currency. Can you count?
Oh,
for us?
Nana, onim.
Okay.
My man came out.
I was
It's a lot.
Oh, my man came
I
out.
was if somebody would have a bit of room anyway.
Oh, no. So, me, my man.
Where? I didn't know.
But I
And the question is a woman. What did you want me there? Catch it for young waiting me. What the matter, Maya? I was this Samuel.
Only help.
I said, I brought someone.
Oh.
I was in Pacho. And then Nkansah go from my flock at times.
Oh, my word.
And then Nkansah.
A peck on the cheek right now.
Yeah.
Why?
He just wants it.
Is he
going to give us money?
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So I should just give him money.
Just
Okay,
one.
so we are leaving. Okay.
Hey, Asia. What's it? When did you make me there? Hey, come on for the Jimmy. I was young commander himself. Who must come with you?
Oh, mommy will be crying.
I guess I'm
Coco season, make it on they watch nobody.
Me throw on your bunny. And pay your bunny cover you could. Make us a baby. Minas Cafu, we are the Casa, second in one mamma, will be a discount, Jamie. You have a trouble on Penny Buffy. What's up, you? We have Thomas Canamas of our work and pay. Now, my dear, Master was a channel. We didn't go with it. May I walk at it? Me from Wassam. Didn't pop from my way. But go deep. We are both Fabia. We are Brassier, or Cassam Poker and Poches. Who bought dear pa? We are Fantin and Bois. Who bring it? When I time as ministers who bought Bra Sakwana over 3 years. Now, the Mecanian said, Bobana on the Babronino. No cranny manager no pa. But Panasam. A pequanager present. Timmy we be near. And then Nkansah mammy. I said, make me see manager. Go Pebia. Said fear. Said cat. Said day. But chase man. No one to us one of me. You say when I can't. But for a mente. When I can't be Edma. Tim Frau when he did any. When another make a chill. Bepano. To catch the dinner.
Manana only be. Who say about food is no more light or no edgement no back home. What's my say? In Tianka. Or more pets and a man in tea. Commission said, Manu edgement or bar. So what I say? Debbie. And Swedish than in here. Letting charge your dance on show. I've been on somebody, the business is on show. Tell me, Minus somebody. Oh, my own research, said Coco to Baba, Mila Media. Me was I research no bay. And I am a similar drum. Jimmy Reno. What? That's it. We are mamma, won't tell that. We are mamma, may come tonight. Won't come with the sketch in the local fee. One be leather. Pasiana make out wood you know. Fatons, you know. Fatons. I'm sure. When the Casamia, what's your cemetery couple? What's happening? I'm with Campo. Casamami. Banana make a catch any says here, Nibufu. Won't send a above for Motiano. Omon Pesania may be steam money wage man or by so ben. But me, Nana Shimin, men in the Becassa. I was going to put a cushion the other. What should I be? Man number one.
Yeah, BBC. I called you here for.
I'm Debbie. I'm not BBC. I work for the BBC.
You work for the BBC?
Yes, I'm called Debbie.
Okay, your name is Debbie.
Yes.
Thank you for correction. Debbie, I'm just 32 years old. And because of my intelligence that this community chose me as an assemblyman. You see, as I'm progressing, assemblyman, I have to get a wife, but not an ordinary wife.
I wonder what this has to do with the project.
This will help you to complete the project successfully.
Really?
Yes.
Tell me more.
I want to tell you that once you're able to enter this village, I don't want you to return single. Okay? So
how do you know if I'm single or not?
You are not.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Check
yes,
your
I'm not. I could be not.
Check your fingers. You are not. You see,
is that what you mean?
Yes. You see, white people,
White people?
Sorry. I'm sorry. You see, a white woman like you, a queen's daughter like you, Queen Elizabeth's daughter like you are interested in acrobatics. I can easily climb this tree. If that is what. Can
we talk about the project, the reason why I'm here?
I'm coming on that. I'm coming on that.
Okay,
you see,
no problem.
I'm interested in you. I want to marry you. I want to have children with you. And probably I can just abound the assemblymanship and follow you to UK. Okay? That is why I called you here. I'm very active person. See, I'm very active person.
Oh God, I can't believe this is happening. Oh my God.
See, I'm very active person.
This is happening.
I'm very active person.
What's going on? Are you
I'm
okay?
I'm not an old man. You see? So please, try. Oh, man,
Mr. Assemblyman, with all due respect, I'm really serious about this project. It's a big deal.
I don't know why.
And it's really going to help.
I am serious about my issues too.
I'm not interested in your issues, sir.
Kokuseche
I'm
has
really
more
sorry.
than 20 wives in this village.
No, I'm not interested in him personally. I'm interested in doing the project. The reason why I'm here, I want to get those papers signed and I want to carry out the documentary.
What I want you to understand that if you accept my proposal, everything will be for you.
I believe I can do this on my own. I do not need you. I know how to go about things.
But
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ha, which one from though? Which one from though? I brought for myself. That's how they are. I'm telling you.
Be like the man for the truck. Really? Charlie, like if you see him, he give me 5,000 save. Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. Just I cannot pell.
Oh, okay.
You. But you know something, like for stretch I'm small.
Of course. Yeah.
I feel like if you give in to him right now, you go see scam.
No, if you stretch him, you need to stretch him so that the money as it comes, it will be more.
No, no. Yes, hey, a shock. 5,000, Charlie.
On meeting you the first day?
5,000. 5,000 straight to your mommy.
Okay, so when are we going to meet him?
We're going to meet him soon. But you know something, like if he call you, make you no answer.
Okay.
If he call you, you for stretch him. Or friend or catch and say like you they sleep then things. You like
I'm busy.
Yeah,
I'm feeling tired.
Yeah.
Like I'm not used to the village life.
Yeah, make you no mind them if you cool down.
Sure.
Yeah, if you cool down, cause if you take for man.
Yeah. I think the more I stretch him, the more he'll be willing to give us more money.
Yeah, you bab. Cause Charlie, I could cry now say,
they hold wow.
Yeah,
but they collect you for look sharp for me.
Oh yeah,
make I wait the final
Don't worry,
package.
the man he go give you more money.
Okay.
The whole village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Alpha.
It's me.
Alpha.
I will talk
Cool.
to you.
No, me.
Oh, me call size bra. When I was with the Adama, it's a mentia bonita.
Okay.
Yeah. Nkansah befi, but me who would you see them slow? Just let me shake it.
Oh, now, how do you?
You're my brother. You're my brother. Yeah.
Charlie, cool it down.
Just
Baby, you know something. Like this is my guy. Like this is my guy from this village.
Yeah.
Your guy.
International man.
Yeah, and he wants to meet you because he's
international.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Charlie, cool it down. Cool it down. Yeah, he wants to meet you because he hasn't seen a beautiful woman like you before.
Oh, really?
So you let him say hi.
Okay.
Chiano.
Say hello.
Chiano.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Nana.
Congratulations.
Nana. Yebeshia.
Nice meeting you.
That's a
Charlie. Yebeshia. Yeah, so Charlie, as I tell you, for stretching, but
Sure.
Yeah, you go take all your money.
But where do you know that guy from?
Just this village, yeah. I am a small man.
And you're marketing once, and would you be scouting here? Huh? I said, yeah, she ain't Koso. And I'm guessing this can out there and won't you? Hey, Mimi. Nah, a young person of a 2 fee. A beabo, sir. Fresh guy be our backroom man. Miss me, I'm a penny when I'm beating the baby, you may say. Color penny, push a bear man in the color. Oh my God. Think seeming and penny built on him when what? No, say, only guy being a buffet in number. Wait, dear, and some trouble to me some fast. And no can say you're losing the crime. Most what you baby, I say, my spotting, Mamma semi uncle. Yeah. Deputy, see ya. I be about sorry. My spotting is what you baby, I see. We're more fast than grabbing. Really? Some may have brought a junior, the 70 movie, Mamma, the movie. For boy near fresh color penny. Hey, you try. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let us see.
Maybe I'm a cool man.
I can see you are new in this village.
Patron.
Patron
from Kwesi.
Kwesi. Kwesi, they say you.
Oh, Kwesi Aurther.
Wow, Kwesi Aurther. I said, I gave you 1 or 2 times to be. But a chrome has seen. If you are new here, once you miss your steps.
Oh, okay.
There are some these village girls they are not on par with the caliber of guy I see you to be.
Okay.
So I have these girls available. In fact, they are more at home. Show him something. Show him what you have.
Oh, into Boasia, mommy.
So if you are interested, if you need an escort or something, somebody to keep you company, my girls are available.
Oh, mommy, come on. But mommy, my name painful bina. Maybe Jumawa. But more, many shada and just I am. But now be home. But you're out.
Ubisa, away a few, away a few. Yes.
Mati. Money, no.
It doesn't come for free, you know.
Oh,
each girl 500.
Men's rich.
Me okay. We can focus me black on 1,000.
Oh, Mati. Mommy, into what's here, into what's here, into what's here.
Mimi.
Oh, my oh, mommy in Kolawa, Mr. Mama Mosha Monsu.
Open this one.
No, yeah, mommy. When